All of these people here have made thousands upon thousands of dollars with hard work and hours of time invested. But today, I will show you how you can make that much money doing far less work, all thanks to this platform here that will do all the hard work for you and allow you to earn thousands of dollars with ease. Now, just before I show you everything, if you like this type of content and you'd like to see more, then support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And so you don't miss out on any future videos to come, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. With all of that said, let's now jump straight into the tutorial so I can show you everything. Alright, so let's get started with this strategy. The one of two platforms that will be paying us today is this one right here called freelancer.com. Even if you've never heard about this site before, due to its name, you can already guess what it's about. On here, you can find everyday people like me and you offering their services for just about anything. You have graphic design jobs, website jobs, mobile app development jobs, software development, and so on. There are just too many of them listed here for me to read out for you. Point being that on Freelancer, depending on whether you are a customer or someone seeking to make some money, you can either find someone to do just about anything for you, or you can do just about anything to get paid. With that being said, there is one particular service we will want to offer on Freelancer, and the second platform that I will soon show you. And that particular service will make you the most money because I have an absolutely free tool to share with you later on in the video, so make sure you stay tuned. Anyhow, before we get to that, let me show you what you need to do on Freelancer here, and that is to click on Earn Money Freelancing right over here so that you can sign up for free to this site. From there, you will have a choice to either sign up via Facebook, which is in the end a much faster way that I would recommend, or if you don't want to do that, then just enter in your email address in this box here, your password just below, then tick this box to agree to their terms before clicking on Join Freelancer below to finish the process. What happens from there is Freelancer will ask you to enter in some basic info about yourself, such as what country you are from, what city or town do you live in, and so on. And once you enter all of that data, you will have to verify that the email address you entered is indeed your own. To do so, just head over to your Gmail account, open up a message from Freelancer that'll look something like this, and then click on the button where it says Verify your email address. Once all of that is done, you will now be on the very same page I am on as well. Your earnings will be located right up here, and once you have earned some money, you will be able to withdraw it by clicking on Deposit Funds right here. Anyhow, now that you've created an account on Freelancer, it's time for me to show you the second platform we will be using to get paid, one that you will also have to sign up to. That platform is called Guru.com. This site is actually extremely similar to Fiverr.com, but it is not nearly as competitive, making it the perfect alternative that I highly recommend you use alongside the aforementioned Freelancer. Even though Freelancer and Guru are pretty much the same, you will be able to make more money by combining the two, simply because not every customer who is, say, using Guru knows about Freelancer and vice versa, meaning that combining the two platforms will allow you to maximize your profits. Anyhow, as you can see down here, Guru has paid out over $250 million to its users. And to the left of that, you can see that this site does work worldwide for those wondering. To sign up to Guru so you can actually make money with it, you will need to click on the Sign Up button in the upper right corner here. From there, you will once again have a choice to either sign up with Facebook, LinkedIn, or Google, or you can just sign up via email, in which case you will need to enter in your full name here and your email address just below. What they'll ask you to do from there is either choose a security question or two-factor authentication to protect your account. And once you enter that in alongside where you're from and a few other bits of info, you will be taken over to the page I am on as we speak. And it's on this very page where you will be able to post a service. And now is finally the time for me to show you what type of services you will need to provide on both Guru and Freelancer.com. The service category, which we will be focusing on, is going to actually be graphic design. And it's not just because I have a tool that is free to use that will help you immensely. Another big reason is that there's not a lot of people providing graphic design services on both Guru and Freelancer. This is extremely important because that means you won't be dealing with that much competition, further increasing the amount of money you can potentially make. Take a look at how much money people on Fiverr are making by creating YouTube thumbnails. This person here is charging $10 for a thumbnail and has had nearly 500 reviews, meaning that we're talking about no less than $4,800 made. This person here is charging $10 per thumbnail and has had nearly 2,000 reviews, meaning that we're talking about no less than $20,000 made. Here is yet another example to further prove my point. $10 per thumbnail with over 3,000 reviews, meaning that this guy has made $30,000 at the very least. I can go on and on from there, guys, but I think you get my point. There's a lot of money to be made creating YouTube thumbnails. And the reason I'm using Fiverr to show you how much money there is to be made is because there's a lot of competition on Fiverr, and yet, despite that, these people have tens of thousands of dollars. Meanwhile, you don't have to deal with that much competition on both Guru and Freelancer, meaning that you can indeed make that much money, especially thanks to the tool I'm about to show you. Without further ado, here is the tool in question. This site is called snappa.com, and this platform can allow you to create any type of design, not just a YouTube thumbnail, without having any skills whatsoever. And the best part about this as well is that you do not need to pay this platform whatsoever. It's not a site that's free for like a set amount of time and then you have to invest money into it or whatever. It's free and will always stay free, which is why it's so good and why I am showing it to you guys. So you can create any type of design on here, though you will need to sign up. As such, you want to click on Get Started Free right over here or in the upper right corner. To finish the process, just enter in your name, email address, and password, then complete this CAPTCHA, and finally click on Get Started Free once more. With that done, let me show you how easy it is to create a design with this site. The first thing you will have to do is pick a template type, be it an Instagram post, Facebook post, or whatever. Since I was using a YouTube thumbnail as an example, I'll go along with it in my example. Once you pick your template type, you will now have to pick an actual template, and depending on what your customer is asking of you, you will pick any one of these you see fitting for your new design. Once you do, you will now be taken to the editor, and it's here where you will actually create your design. And there is nothing you cannot do with this website. You can change the text size, font, and position. You can change the color of the text. You can change the background by clicking right here, which, as you can see, will show you an infinite number of options. You can add graphics by clicking right here, shapes as well. I mean, there is nothing you cannot do with this tool. And the best part is that you can create a professional thumbnail in like 5 minutes of work to earn $10 just like that, with no design skills whatsoever and no need to buy expensive software like Photoshop, for example. You can just do this over and over again to earn $10 with literal ease, all thanks to this tool. Now, with that said, this is it for today's video, guys. As always, if you liked it and you're enjoying my content, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up below to support my channel. And in case you don't want to miss out on any future videos just like this one, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll be notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon.